In this video, I'm going to discuss the best and worst stack for Kebun Baru Breeze BTO that is located in Ang Mo Kio Town. So this is the map that HDB gave, and if we check the Google map, this is basically the land plot that will be built as Kebun Baru Breeze. As you can see, it's very near to Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park, just across the street, so this is good. And then to the right, there's actually another BTO that is being built, which is Kebun Baru Edge. And then behind it, there's Amo Residence, which is a condo. And then towards this direction, you see like low-rise building over here. And then just across the street, you see this open field right now. But then when I check the URA master plan, in the future, it will be another residential high-rise building. Don't know whether it will be a condo or another BTO, but from the land plot ratio, most likely it will be another high-rise building. So if we just look at the map, this would mean that if you are expecting unblocked view, you would have the option either to face this Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park or this side because it will be facing the low-rise building. Now this direction, if you manage to see towards this direction, then you can see the open field right now. But in several years to come, it will be another high-rise residential building. Now let's look at the site plan. So this is the site plan for Kebun Baru Breeze. Now there are different colors. So basically, this light peach is two-room flexi type 1, and then this darker peach or pink is two-room flexi type 2. This one, yellow, is 4-room flat, and then the light yellow is rental flats. And then this part is the 6-story multi-story car park, and then number 1 is children's playground, number 2 is adult fitness corner, and then number 3 is elderly fitness corner. So now with this, let's start with two-room flexi type 1 first. For two-room flexi type 1, as you can see, the options are basically located in this section. All of them are located here. And without a shadow of a doubt, obviously, the best stack would be those who are facing the Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park, which is basically stack 213, 211, 209, 207, and also 205. So basically all of these will be able to face the Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park, and I'm sure it will be very, very highly sought after. Now, if let's say your queue number is not so good, and then you're no longer left with the option to pick any of the flats in this row, just make sure you are higher than level 6. Otherwise, you will face the multi-story car park if you pick like 215, 217, or something like that. Now, towards this direction, remember there's another HDB here. So if you get like 203, then you would face another high-rise building. 205, I think, depending on the window is in which room or is it in the kitchen, etc. So it still depends. But remember that selecting BTO unit is not based on project anymore, but based on town. So if there's no unit that you like in Kebun Baru Breeze, you can check out the other project, which is Kebun Baru Ridge, which is also located in Ang Mo Kio Town. And then you can just pick between these two projects which unit that is meeting your criteria. Please check out my channel if you are interested to know what are the best stacks for the other BTO, which is Kebun Baru Ridge. Now let's talk about two-room flexi type 2. So for two-room flexi type 2, there are basically 4 different choices. And just right off the bat, I would say 233 and 235 are not my favorite. Why? Because it's so close to the playground. So it will get noisy, especially during the daytime, unless if you don't mind. A better option would probably stack 223. Why? Because it will basically face low-rise building. 219 is also okay lah. It's not that bad. But I would say in general, 223 and 219 are still better than 233 and 235. But then again, if there's no choice, just make sure that you get above level 6 so that you are higher than the multi-story car park. Now let's talk about the 4-room flat. For 4-room flat, you have quite a lot of options as well. Obviously, the highly sought after would be 243, 241, 239, and also 237, simply because it will be facing the Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park. 231 and 229 is my least favorite because it will be facing the playground. But of course, if you manage to get, let's say, level 10 and higher, then the noise would not be so bad, even if it's facing the playground. 2-to-1 is another good option because it will basically face the low-rise residential building. So here, so 2-to-1 will basically face this. So I think that's good. Now you might be wondering between Kebun Baru Breeze and Kebun Baru Ridge, which one is quote-unquote better? Well, it depends on your objective because for this Kebun Baru Breeze, it is further away from the Mayflower MRT station, and most likely if you live here, you would just need to take a bus to go to Bishan MRT station. That would probably be a more practical route if you want to reach the MRT station rather than walking to Mayflower. If you like active lifestyle, being so close to Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park is probably better for your day-to-day life. Or if let's say you have a dog, then it will be very easy to take the dog for a walk, right? But having said that, the biggest issue with Kebun Baru Breeze is not necessarily the location itself, but to the fact that there's another young BTO just right across the street, which will impact your selling price later on. So as you can see, this is the land plot for Kebun Baru Breeze, right? And Kebun Baru Edge is right over here. So that would be your competitor when you want to sell your flat later on, especially with the 10-year MOP, the subsidy clawback, etc. So that's the watch out. Now, on the other hand, the other BTO project in Ang Mo Kio, which is Kebun Baru Ridge, is located slightly nearer to the Mayflower MRT station. If you walk under existing HDB block and get to the Mayflower MRT station a little bit faster. It is also in close proximity to the CHIJ St. Nicholas Girls School. So that would probably be an edge if you want to buy this project, especially for young family. So I think at the end of the day, I would say to keep yourself flexible. My honest suggestion would be to list down the best units in either BTO project. And then when you are going to the HDB office to select your unit, you can just pick what are the best units out of your pre-selected preferences and then just be flexible whether it's Kebun Baru Ridge or Kebun Baru Breeze. Unless you have very specific constraints. So for example, maybe you want to stay near certain school. However, there is one consideration beyond about the location itself, which is the construction time. So for whatever reason, Kebun Baru Breeze will take 52 months to develop, whereas Kebun Baru Ridge is part of the shorter wait program. So for Kebun Baru Ridge, you only need to wait for 37 months. So that's a very significant difference. So do put that into consideration when you want to pick your unit. But nevertheless, congratulations for your queue number and hope you get the best unit. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. To support my work, you can give a one-time tip by pressing the thanks button, pick the amount that you want, and click buy and send. Or you can also press the join button for exclusive contents and monthly membership. Your support means a lot to keep us independent. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.